Welcome back, students. So, in the last lecture, we discussed about alter query along with the modify and change class. So, in this lecture, we will discuss about alter query with add clause and drop class. Okay, add clause and drop class. So, actually, the add clause allows you to add a new column to an existing table. So if you want to add the primary key constraint to an existing column, so the add class can be used. So generally it is used to add new column to an existing table, and you can add the primary key constraint to an existing column if. Okay, so these are the two main operations. So now we will see the syntax for the add class. Okay, to add a new column to an existing table, we use the add column class with the alter command like this. So the syntax for the alter table name, then add column, then column name. Okay, so for example, we already have the customer table. So in the customer table, so what are all the fields we are having in the existing thing? We are having customer ID, then first name, then last name, then we had country, and we had state. Okay, so these are the fields we had in the customer table. Okay, now if you want to add a new column called for example, if you want to add the customer's gender, so either the customer is a male or a female. So if you want to add the gender, so the syntax for that is add table alter table. The table name is customer. Then column should be added as add column gender. Then the gender data type should be var character. So it can be mentioned as var character. So I am giving the size of this gender as maximum 10. So actually male or female. So it should be like mentioned like that. So this table will be displayed like this. It will be mentioned with gender. Okay. The size of the gender data type will be 10. Okay. So in order to display this table, you can use the describe table name semicolon command so that you can perform the display operation of the table. So for example, to add a date of birth column after the last name column in the table, so use the following query like this. Okay, if I want to add another one column, okay, first name, last name. For example, I want to add middle name that should be appeared before the last name and after the first name. Okay, so how it can be mentioned is alter table customer add middle name m name. Okay, the data type will be var character. So I am mentioning it's a 20. size is 20, then you have to use the class called after first name. After first name. Okay. So this should be mentioned. So and you have to, because this is a string, you have to name with the apostrophe. You have to mention it with an apostrophe. Okay. Now this table, how this table will be looks like now. So in between the first name and last name, you will be having the middle name. Okay. And where character will be 10. Sorry, 20. Okay. This is how you can add the columns in between. Okay. And how to drop a column from the table. Okay. Previously, we discussed about drop query. So it will drop the entire table or entire database. Now we will discuss about how to drop a particular column. Okay. Suppose you no longer needed a column from a table for your future purpose, we can use the alter command with the drop class to remove a column from the table. Okay. So the syntax for the drop class will be alter table name, then drop column, then column name. So if I want to drop the column gender, okay, so what I will do is just give the query called alter table, then table name is customer, drop the column, drop column, the column name will be gender. Column name will be gender. Okay. So actually the drop query allows you to delete a database, delete an existing table from the database. But here you can see that a drop class, which is used along with the alter query, can be used to delete a particular column from a table. Okay. So now we will see how to rename the query. Okay. How to rename a table. So the rename command is used to change the name of the existing database table to a new name. So it does not make it to lose any data where the previous table contains that. So syntax for renaming is rename table, then current table name to new table name. Okay, to new table name. So for example, if I want to change the name of the table from customer to employee, so you can use the same command, rename table. So current table name will be the customer. So you can rename it into an employee. Okay, current table name is customer. So it has been changed to employee. Then semicolon is to terminate the syntax. Okay. So now now the name of the table will be mentioned as employee. So in order to see that, just give this command describe employee, then it will display this table. Okay. I hope you have understood how to perform the add class, drop class, and rename class, and how the alter command, alter query is used along with this classes. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about some more information regarding to the SQL. So up to then, I'm signing off. Thank you.